Hi everyone, I'm going to do this video on how to restore deleted items from your Google One account. Yes, as you see here, the Google One account comprises of the storage you're using on your Google account. So this morning I encountered a problem where I was like, okay, let me just see if I could reduce the number of files in my Google storage, because it has been giving me warnings of reaching about 80%. So when I opened it, I mistakenly deleted some files, but I wanted to get the files back, which was very, very difficult for me to find. So let me give you an example. For example, if you delete a file from Google Drive and you want to restore the file back, you have to go on the app Google Drive on your phone or your computer, then go to the trash and do a restore. So in my case, when I deleted the file I mistakenly deleted, I deleted it from the Google Photos. So I was like, I couldn't find the file I deleted, which was like a little bit annoying for me, because it was easy for me to like do a clean up from here where I have the large files. Take for example this file here. If I go on delete, it's going to move it into the trash for about 60 days. But if it was mistakenly deleted, how do I get it back? So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to delete this. Okay, it has been deleted, but that was a mistake, and I want to get the file back. So what I have to do is I will have to go to where the file was saved to restore the file. So I'm going to have to open my Google Apps. Then I'm going to go to, I think it was under Photos. Now I'm going to look for the trash. Then you can see the video here that I just deleted. So I can actually restore this video back to its original space, and it will be restored. So you see it has been moved away. So don't be confused, don't get confused about Google One. Whenever you delete something from Google One, maybe you think, oh, it has been deleted forever. No, all you just have to do is find out exactly where that item was stored. If it's stored in the Google Drive before you deleted it, just go back to the Google Drive trash. Like in my case, what I did was, like, I didn't find it in the Google Drive, so I just had to go to Google Photos. Then I found it there. Then I did a restore. That's just all on how to restore item deleted from your Google One account. Thank you.